All right, here we go. Cricket Wireless versus Visible. Which one is right for you? So, if you're looking for an affordable prepaid wireless plan, these are two of the best options. But which one should you choose? Let's break it down. First, let's go over the coverage and network. Okay, Visible operates on Verizon's network, offering strong coverage and great speeds, especially in urban and suburban areas. However, it does not support domestic roaming, which can leave you with dead zones in rural areas. And now Cricket runs on AT&T's network, which also provides nationwide coverage but includes domestic roaming. Okay? Meaning you are more likely to have better connectivity in more remote areas with Cricket. Okay? Now let's go over the plans and pricing. Okay? Visible keeps it simple with just two unlimited plans. They have the Visible, $25 a month plan, and you get unlimited data, calls, and texts, right? Plus unlimited hotspot data capped at 5 megabytes per second. Okay? And they do have a Visible Plus as well, which currently is being discounted, right? But it includes basically a 50 GB of premium data not slowed during congestion, which what it means by premium data. Access to Verizon's ultra wideband 5G and international calling or texting. Now, Cricket Wireless actually offers four plans, giving you more flexibility. So they have a 5 GB plan, okay, which is priced at $30 a month. Great for light users, but no hotspot. A 10 GB plan, $40 a month, includes a multi-line discount and auto pay savings. We have, Cricket Core Unlimited, $55 a month. You get unlimited data, but speeds may slow during congestion. And you have Cricket More Unlimited, which is $60 a month, includes 15 GB of hotspot, premium data, HBO Max, which is ad supported though, and 150 GB cloud storage. So look, if you're a single user, Visible offers the best value with unlimited everything for just $25 a month. But for families, the Cricket's multi-line discounts can bring costs as low as about $33 per line. Okay? So in terms of hotspot and streaming, Visible, unlimited mobile hotspot at 5 Mbps. Not fast enough for HD video, but great for basic tasks, right? Cricket, there's no hotspot on lower plans. The highest tier plan gives you a 15 GB of hotspot data, but both of these can stream videos at a lower quality, not that high, and they do have international features for Visible. It includes Mexico, Canada, data, international calling up to 30 plus countries, texting up to 200 plus countries. Cricket offers unlimited talk and text to Mexico and Canada, but international calling is an extra $5 a month. Now, which one should you choose? It depends, okay? Look, if you want the cheapest unlimited plan, go with Visible. You need unlimited hotspot, go with Visible. You prefer Verizon's network, go with Visible. Go with Cricket though if you need multi-line discounts for a family plan, if you want roaming support in rural areas, and you need extras like HBO Max and cloud storage. Okay? That's what it comes down to. So let me know which one you will be choosing in the comments below. And until next time, make sure you smash that like button, so subscribe to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.